Hello everyone, it's me again, Ananda. So today I will walk you guys to the 3 Thai Tutor resort where you can learn Thai anywhere, anytime with a native speaker. And I can say that to learn Thai with a private teacher is often the best way to learn any language in the world, not just Thai but any language. So here's the top 3 platforms that I choose for you guys today. Let's go! So let's get started with the first app. It is Ling Live. This one is the newbie platform to learn Thai with native speaker. Even though this app is new, but the team did a great job to create this platform for everyone. Since this app is a new platform, so they offer limited language to learn. Now they offer only 3 languages to learn, that is Thai, German, and Chinese. But Thai is the best lesson that the app offers. So you can learn Thai with native speakers who have experience in teaching Thai. They also offer you the standard lesson. That means you will learn Thai step by step from beginner to intermediate levels with the qualified teacher and also the organized lessons.
And here's what the app look like. Is we have the list of teacher here, and when you click the teacher that you want to learn, it will pop up the video of each teacher at the top of each teacher page, where you can check if this teacher is suit your expectation or not. And then they have a profile of teacher and the reviews of people who have learned with this teacher before, and then more information about the teacher. And when you decide to book the teacher, it will show the availability of that teacher. And then what you have to do next is just choose the time that suits you and then start learning.
Moreover, now the app offers you free trial for 1 lesson. Since it's free, I think you guys should give it a try. I will add the link down below here in the description. Don't forget to check it. I'm wondering because it's a free trial, right? So I asked one of the teachers in the app if they get paid for the free trial lesson, and the teacher said they get paid for that, and that is good. So it is the win-win situation. So that is great. And next one we have Peply maybe. Okay, sorry if I read the app name wrong, but maybe it's Peply. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so this one is the app that have a ton of teachers that you can choose from. After a free trial lesson, they offer you a packet of lessons which have 5 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours, and 20 hours to pick. And here's what the app look like. Let's see.
So Pathly look almost like Ling Live, but the thing different is the tab above, which you can choose the price rank and more. And when you click on the teacher profile, it will be the video to introduce your teacher as well. And also when you scroll down, it will have the introduction of each teacher and also the English skill. And next to the English skill, it will be the reviews. And when you click to book the lesson, it will show the availability of each teacher.
However, even though this app is good for a student, but sadly it's not for tutors. I have read many reviews from tutors and they say they didn't get paid for the first free trial lesson that they teach students. And after the free trial lesson, the company also takes 30% out of the packet lessons. And I think it's maybe a bit too high for a tutor. It seems like they get nothing from teaching. And I know that to teach someone they have to put a lot of effort on it. And maybe it's not good. If Cleverly can consider to fix this one, I think it will be a lot better. And lastly, we have italki. This one is the largest app compared with those 2 apps. So italki is a language learning platform. which offer many languages to learn. Thai is one of them, which you can learn Thai with native speaker as well. Let's see what the app look like.
For italki, it will let you choose your Thai level and your native language as well. And then when you're done with this process, it will lead you to the page with the list of teachers. And there are a lot of teachers here as well. And when you click on the teacher that suits you, it will have the video of each teacher, the information about the teacher, and or of course for sure it will show the availability of each teacher in this page as well. And lastly, it will have a review.
Even though they have many choice of teacher or tutors, but some reviews say that the teacher is unqualified. It's like their English is not good enough to teach someone or to explain something to their students. Alright, we walk to the last part of this video where I will rank the app from my opinion. So we will start from ranking the first one. So the first one I will give it to Ling Live, even if it's new, but I think I like it. It's just my opinion, so you guys can try it first. And the next one will be italki. And at the last page I will give it to Peply, and here's the reason why. So as I said before, even Ling Live is the new app, but they offer high quality lessons with the qualifying teacher or tutors. They also treat both student and tutor nicely, and I think you will definitely improve your Thai language skill with Ling Live. And next, italki. I rank it in the second place because the app itself is good. The platform has useful feature, but also something to improve. I rank this one at the second place because sometimes I feel like it's hard to find a qualified teacher who fit your style. But overall, this one is the great app. And last one, Peply. The platform itself is also good, and the app surface is easy to use. But the thing I really don't like this app is because I feel like it's taking too much advantage from tutors, and they get paid poorly compared with the other apps. So even though this app is good for students, but I think they should treat tutor better. I think if they consider to maybe a paid tutor for a free trial, it would be great. Is all of the today video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope this video will help you guys to pick your favorite app. You can try Ling Live down below. I will add the link here in the description. So thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.